Coil Cleaning Solutions cleans all types of air conditioning and refrigeration coils. We service all refrigeration coils with custom tools. We service the main AC reclaim coil. We also do evap coils, evap walk-in coils. And on the roof we do RTUs. We do split units and large air-cooled condensing coils. Well, the coils were designed simply to cool the area off. Clean coils assure efficient temperature control. Providing the service prolongs equipment and minimizes electrical use. Coil Cleaning Solutions' single most important concept is to complement the in-house skilled refrigeration technician. We perform this task so the skilled technician can perform much more urgent tasks. In the past, the service was done as needed. We changed that and put this on a PM maintenance schedule. We use an industrial power washer that's highly adjustable to provide any pressure that's necessary. Our company is focused on one service and one service only. This makes us an expert at this service and makes us much more efficient. Our cart is very compact. We have all the tools that are necessary to complete the task. We designed it after a shopping cart so it can easily get in and out of tight spots. We have all the necessary tools on our cart. This prevents the technician to doing many return visits to the van for things they've forgotten. Our cart has also a vacuum system to reclaim all excess water. We have a custom water tank that holds up to 16 gallons of water. On board, we also have a reel that provides up to 200 feet of pressure washer hose. We use a 200-foot power extension. On board, we also carry a CO2 can to purge the drains with all the necessary tools to complete this task. Our cart integrates with the van using a self-loading system. The carts are loaded quickly and efficiently into the van so we can connect the van to the cart to provide rooftop access. On the van, we have an additional 200 gallons of water, 400 feet of water line. Then we also have a generator that's completely remote that will provide the power, portable power, so we can access anything on the roof. We designed the system so we would use one employee to complete this task. Using one employee dramatically lowers the cost. You know, it amazes me when I walk into a refrigeration case to see how clean and spotless the outside appearance is. But when we drop the pan, we start to see what the real problem is. The coils are impacted with layers of damaging buildup, causing a severe electrical loss and a major strain on the equipment, eventually causing failure and a costly emergency refrigeration call with the potential of loss of product for our customers. Produce area, you want everything to stay clean. It has to stay at a certain temperature. If temperature climbs, it's a problem. If temperature decreases, it's a problem. So keeping the coils clean, make sure the environment stays at the right place. When cleaning walk and evap coils, the first thing we do is walk into the unit and access the area. We set up a series of tarps and magnets to build a barrier around the unit we're cleaning. We use the tarp barrier system for two major reasons. One is to protect the product. The second reason is so employees can access their product to do their daily functions. We then drop the pan and suspend it with a custom cable system. We suspend the pan for two major reasons. One, it makes it very easy so the single technician concept can lower the pan and reinstall it quite easily. The second reason we suspend the pan is used as a catch-all. When we're cleaning, we use a lot of the excess water that is captured in this pan and is distributed to our water reclaim system. Then we apply a chemical foam and we use water pressure at 800 psi. We use this psi so that it thoroughly cleans the coil, but it is gentle on the coil and causes no damage. After the job is complete, we fill out a 12-point checklist. This list is given to the technician so they can be prepared to be dispatched with the correct equipment to repair the equipment. The technician then can take this information and use it to bring the proper equipment out to fix the unit, if needed. We have over 30 years experience. We are properly licensed and bonded to perform all these refrigeration coil cleaning PMs. For more information, you can check us out on the CSSinc.com or simply give us a call at 714-313-6029.